Welcome, friends, to Old Lady Luck. Old Lady Luck here at Peppermill, Reno, Nevada. Wasn't recording because this game was not nice to me last weekend. Of course, it was nice when they first came out, but I'm betting 2 cents, $4. So we got a mini for 20. We got the train. Not much else. $16 on that one. One more, baby. Anything? No. But we got the train. Maureen's in a bonus. Just finished. Dennis is in a bonus. Just finished. He got the train. $100. No. 200 because it's times 2 cents. Wow. I'll take 40 and 16. Let's go, baby. 20 more. Come on, Dragon Train. Woo! Come on, baby train. One more. Yes, 20 bucks. Dennis is in again. Oh, okay. Come on. 80, 60, 80. One more for the grand. No, I don't really know what it's for. One more for something, but it's not there. Wow, that train's going to be worth a lot. We're betting $4, 2 cents. Yeah. Times 2. Woo! Nice job, Dragon Train. I loved you to begin with. Now I love you again. We had a love-hate relationship, and now it's love again. I put 100 in, got a bonus and lost it. Then I put another 100 in, and only pushed it a couple times. $512.
Wow.
Wowzy wow. Last night I kept getting the free game bonus and it was nothing. In fact, it was naughty and took all my winnings that I had just won. So I said, let's go back to this mean machine and see what we can get. Please consider subscribing.